In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add files to the media library on Podia 2025, step by step. Here's the key idea up front. On Podia, you don't upload files straight into the media library. Instead, the library fills up automatically when you upload files while working on a product, a course lesson, the site builder, or any Podia text editor. That means your first move is to go to the place where you plan to use the file, upload it there, and Podia will store it for reuse across your account. Start by heading to your Podia dashboard and decide where the file belongs. If you're preparing a digital download or a course, go to Products. If you're building a course, open the specific course and add a new lesson. If you're editing your website or a page, open the site builder and click into the text area or block where you want the file to appear. This choice matters because Podia organizes your files based on where you first bring them in. When you're ready to upload, click the relevant action where you are. That might be edit on a product, add a lesson inside a course, or the upload option in a text block. From there, select the File Upload button, choose a file from your computer, or drag and drop it into the editor if you see that option. In many text editors on Podia, you can also type the / to open quick commands and pick an upload action. Give the upload a moment to finish. Once it's complete, Podia automatically adds that file to your media library behind the scenes. After the upload, insert the file into your content right where you are. In a course lesson, you can attach the file as a downloadable resource for learners. On a site page or inside a text editor, you can place the file as needed. If you've previously uploaded the same file elsewhere, you don't need to re-upload it. Just open the picker and select it from your media library to reuse it in other parts of your site. A few important notes to keep things smooth. Course lesson uploads have a 5 GB file size limit, while digital download products allow up to 10 GB. Only video and audio files played directly within courses. Other file types will be available as downloads. And remember, there isn't a direct upload button inside the media library itself. Your uploads flow into the library from the uploaders throughout Podia. Pro tip, use clear, descriptive file names and ensure a stable internet connection for larger files. That's it. You now know exactly how to add files to Podia's media library the right way.